Hey everybody, your Harley Parts Guy here. New in box, open box item, Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle Pro 2 shotgun slash down mufflers. Part number 80447-03. Like I said, guys, brand new. As you can see in the box, I have 11 sets currently available. If you're watching this, these fit your 2000 through 2006 Fat Boy and Deuce models, $249 plus shipping or best offer. If you're interested, drop me a DM. And yes, I will offer a bulk pricing if you're interested in the entire lot. If you don't know how to send me a DM, check out my profile right here on YouTube. I have direct links to my Facebook, direct links to my eBay store where these are also listed. And you can send me a message right on my Facebook. $249 plus shipping. And as always, guys, reasonable offers are always welcome.